Hi everyone, welcome back to Balaji Tech Info. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in Java. The topic name is maps. Maps are a part of the Java collection framework, but they work differently from lists and sets. So I am covering this topic separately. In this video, we will cover what is maps in Java, why do we use maps, types of maps, detailed explanation of HashMap, real-time coding using HashMap. So let's get started. What is map in Java? A map in Java is an interface from the java.util package and is a part of the Java collection framework. However, it's not a subtype of the collection interface because it stores data in different format like key value pairs. Key features here. Each key is unique queue. Every key maps to exactly one value. It is used for storing, retrieving and updating data based on keys. Map interface is implemented by classes like HashMap, LinkedHashMap and TreeMap. This makes map highly useful for real-time applications like login systems, config storage, caching, and more. Why do we use maps? Maps are super useful when you want to store and retrieve the data based on unique keys. Quickly and effectively it will work. Common real-time use case example like login credentials, you can use username, password. The main advantage, accessing values using keys is faster compared to looping through a list or array. Just remember, map is an interface and HashMap, linked HashMap, TreeMap, etc. are classes that are implemented. Now, types of maps in Java. These are several classes that implement in the map interface. The most commonly used ones are HashMap, LinkedHashMap, TreeMap. Let's see one by one. HashMap. No order is maintained HashMap. One null key allowed, multiple null values allowed, and it's a faster for general use. Next, LinkedHashMap. It maintains the insertion order. One null key allow, multiple null values allow, slightly slower but keeps order. Next, third one, tree map. Keys are always sorted, no null key allowed, null values are allowed. Use when sorting is needed. So, in this video, I covered the basics of maps in Java, including HashMap, linked HashMap, and TreeMap. In the next part, I will show you practically coding examples to help you understand how these maps works in real time. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand maps clearly. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks again for your support and see you in the next video.